In this second video of masking, we are going to use masking on these two layers. Here you can see we have this layer where you can see the model, and here we have a background, this one. And I want to compose these two together and want to create double exposure effect. So let's see how we can do it. So first thing, I'll work on this layer and I'll select this, and I want to make a selection of this. So we can directly go here, object selection tool, and click on select subject. And you can see it has already created a nice selection here. I'll click here on masking, and you see it marks very well. I don't want to see this for now. Now I'll create a background. So I'll create a solid color, and I need white solid, and I'll put this one here down. Then I'll go and I'll convert this into black and white. So I'll create one more adjustment layer here, black and white. The adjustment layer is something, when you apply this, it will affect on all your layers, and you have effect along with the mask. So you can hide, unhide, or wherever you want this particular effect to be visible, you can use this with mask. I'll click here on the clip mask. So this particular effect will apply only on this layer. Now I want this layer to come up here, and I will adjust this. So I want something like this, a bit bigger, and maybe here, somewhere like this. Let me just see by reducing the opacity how I want, and I think this is nice. So these hands are also matching here, and everything is fine. I want this area to be filled up also, like this. Nothing should be left. Everything should be selected. So maybe a little bit I'll do more bigger. I want to cover up this area, so I will just use selection tool here, and I'll select any area here, or maybe just use this area here. Okay, give a little bit of a feather, Control J, and put it somewhere here. And let's merge this, and let's see now. Better, but a little bit more here. So I will select this area with feather, and I'll use this one, sorry. And I'll put here. Copy this and put somewhere here. If you want, you can use clone tool, but I haven't used clone tool until now in this course. That is the reason I'm doing like this. So if you know clone tool, you can use it. I don't want to use any tool which I haven't taught yet. I'll press Control E, and you can see we have covered up almost everything. And now what I want is, I want this to black and white also. And I'll use almost neutral density. So you'll have more of a white, sharp white here, and black here. And also clip mask this. So this will also apply only on this, but not on others. And then I'll go here and I'll choose, let's say, screen mode. Lighten screen. I think lighten is fine. Yeah, that's nice. And then we can use brush tool and apply mask on this layer. So if I press, if I paint this with the black color, you see all these will become invisible. Something like this. And you see we have inherit this kind of effect. And I think this ring is also looking nice here. I don't want this effect here on hands, checks. This is looking nice. It's matching. And you see we have created double exposure effect by applying mask on this layer and applying few adjustment layers to make it black and white, and some color modes. Okay, and if you want to color grade this, you can click here. You can apply, let's say, gradient map, and you can choose any of your favorite colors from here. I go and I like this one. And let's do this overlay, or maybe screen. I think soft light is fine. And you see we have nice colored exposure image here. Double exposure, sorry. So this is how you can use masking and create double exposure with masking. So this is enough. I'll see you in the next class.